Hey guys, flex ko lang tong biniling papaya sa Filipino store or sa Asian store. Nag-sale. It's $1.99 per pound. Pero mura na yan. Most of the time, mas mahal pa yan siya. Look at this. It's so good for shake and just eat it as it is. Yan. Craving for papaya. Yung iba daw kasi kinakain yung seeds. I'll try not to take out the seeds. So, kainin ko lang to as it is or pwede rin siyang i-blend. Look at that. Oh, I got a spoon. Yan. Healthy daw yung seed, sabi. Pero, okay lang. Yan lang muna. Mabubuhay kaya itong papaya dito sa malamig na weather?
We'll try.
No?
We can.
Kasi nag-try kami ng avocado. Natubo yung avocado. Pero yun nga lang, hindi pa masyadong namunga. Tumubo lang na malaki na. Hindi pa namunga. I'll make the other one. Shake. Papaya shake. Masarap. Pag-uwi ko ng Pinas, nagdala ko ng Bear Brand. So, I'll make this. Put Bear Brand on it. We'll see you later for the papaya shake. Make a shake. The other one is already eating the half of the papaya. Mine, I love shake. Shake to the... And I got some Bear Brand. Mix it. It's Bear Brand with apple and banana. I tried. Got this lactose-free milk. Oh. I put water. Nagbibidyo. Yeah, wow. Pwede na to. Try natin. You can taste the banana and the apple. So good.